Number 4. The diagram shows a cross-section of part of a leaf. Which type of cell carries out the most photosynthesis? So, which part of cell carries out the most photosynthesis? As you can see from the diagram, that cells in this part has a lot of chloroplasts. So all these black dots are chloroplasts. And of course the white ones, the biggest circle here, that's nucleus. And the space in here is of course the large vacuole. So we already know that the chloroplasts are responsible for the photosynthesis. So hence this cell or these cells are the ones that carry out the most photosynthesis. B does not have any chloroplast, so it doesn't. It's actually upper epidermis. This is upper epidermis, which is transparent. So the light can just go through it, transparent. And A is the palisade mesophyll layer cells, or palisade mesophyll cells. They receive the sunlight the most, so they should have most number of chloroplasts, and they do the photosynthesis the most. And C, so this cell is called spongy cell, or spongy mesophyll cell. And it does receive some light, that's why it has few chloroplasts. And D is lower epidermis. Okay, so it's a lower epidermis, so it receives like almost no sunlight, but it and it's not really responsible for photosynthesis, and it's transparent as well, like upper epidermis. And there are some guard cells, and these guys are responsible for making this whole pathway called stomata. So the function of sponge cell is to provide enough air gaps so that the water molecules can evaporate later, and they can become water vapors, and then water vapors can accumulate inside the leaf, and then they can leave by diffusion. They can leave the leaves by diffusion, and that process is transpiration. And we can talk about this on later, okay? When we need to talk about this. And other videos, actually, my other videos actually talk about transpiration, because there are many questions about it. So check those videos out as well if you can, or if you want to know more about the transpiration. Yep. Okay. So the answer for this question is A.